guys, once again it's Luscious Lischa, and today we are going to make maple honey hot wings. What you're going to need is some wingettes. What you can get is maybe 5 pounds, 10 pounds, not the whole wings. So what you would do first is you wash your wings off, then you bring them to the table and you pat them dry with some paper towels, like so. Here we go. So you put them in there and you pat them dry. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients. So that's pretty much, there's a lot of wings here. So we're going to shake the garlic, and then we're going to put some black pepper on here, like so. All right, so we're going to toss the wings like so. Yay! Yay! Alrighty then. Here we go. Doesn't that look good? Oh my. And also, while you're preparing your wing, you should be heating your oil up to 350. Niece, what is the oil at? Since you have your oil up to 350 degrees, you would drop your chicken in slowly and you let them cook for like 15 to 20 minutes until crisp. All right, like so. You fill your pan up, not too close. And you're gonna let them go, like so. Here it is. Ooh, that's cooking up so good. All right, guys, we're gonna let that cook now for a minute. Now, guys, we're going to make the sauce for our maple honey hot wings. What you would need to do first is you get yourself a stick of butter, you put it in a pot, and you would melt it down like so. So you get a whisk to help you along, like this, and you just let it go until it melts. Really nice and good. Now, guys, we have some maple syrup here. You would add that to your melted butter. While my niece is stirring, I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. All right, that was the maple syrup. Now, you also would need some honey. We're going to add the honey right now. And say about a 1/4 cup of honey. And that's really good and thick. Doesn't that look so delicious? Oh, just can't wait to eat it. Let's try this now. Okay, we also have some cayenne pepper here. 2 tablespoons, that would be good. All right, so now we're also going to add some hot sauce. Add as much as you would like. So I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of hot sauce. And you also need Tabasco. Let's do about 15 shakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 shakes. All right, now that sounds good. All right, you also need a little bit of seeded peppers. That's what we have here. Niece, how's it coming, niece?
It's coming along great.
And we're going to add a couple shakes of that. All right, to your heart desires. Now, that looks good right there. All right, so my niece is still stirring, and we're waiting for it to thicken up a little bit. Oh, you also can add some red hot wing buffalo sauce. Here you go. Add about a 1/4 cup. That's it. All right, niece, how's it coming?
It's coming along great. It's thickening up slowly.
That's right. That's going to be so good. I can't wait to taste it. Now we have my niece here, Toria, flipping the wings after 10 minutes. It shouldn't be much longer after that. Alrighty then. Don't that look nice? Yes. Now we have my niece taking them out, and we have to use paper towels. Come out nice and easy, and you let them dry there for a few minutes. Okay, such as she is doing. Alright. Alright, niece, that looks good. Here we are. They are delicious. These are going to be so good and tasty. I can't wait to try them. What do you think, guys?
I think they're going to be great.
Yes, they are going to be great. Guys, now we're back. We're getting ready to add the maple honey hot wing sauce. So what you do, you get a big old bowl like this. Make sure you have a container on it because we need to shake it. All right, so now we're just going to add the wings like so. Then we're going to pour the wing sauce on top of those delicious looking wings. Oh, how great they look. Niece, that's fine. All right, so now we're going to cover it and we're going to shake. Here we go. Now we're going to shake, 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 shake. All right, and you shake them all up and you get them nice and coated, like so. Oh, my goodness, niece. What great wings we have here. Let's try them. We're going to put them on a plate like so. Look at them. You can do this too, I'm sure. All right, niece. Can't wait to taste these. All right, niece, shake some of those scallions on there. And we're just going to top it off so nicely. Look at that, guys. And there you have it. Maple honey hot wings. Yay!
Yay!